Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester. In today's video, we are talking about Dogwifhat. Now, Dogwifhat, in my opinion, is extremely underpriced right now, and I'll show you exactly why and where this thing could be going in the future. Now, if you guys are not familiar with Dogwifhat is basically literally just a dog with a hat. Okay, this thing went absolutely viral here and has basically seen all-time high market caps of literally billions of dollars. We're talking all-time high at roughly, this was pretty much on the area it launched, $4.6 billion we saw this thing at. Now currently trading at $552 million in market cap. And in the last day, it's up 3%. The last 7 days is down 3%. And in the last month, it's down 38% in the last month, okay? Now, firstly, what does that tell us? It tells us that there's been a correction in the market with Bitcoin and with major altcoins and meme coins in general. Now, why is that important, guys? It's important because this is a very, very strategic and beneficial buying area for this asset. Okay, it's very, very rare that we see this thing this low. With the upside potential of all-time high capabilities in the future, which it will get there at some point, $4.6 billion in market cap. We are literally basically an 8x away from that right now, okay? So it really, really shows how much growth this thing could potentially have and what it can offer us in terms of a portfolio gain in the future. Okay, so right now, as I said, down 38%, very, very, very good area to be getting in here. And if we are going to look at the chart here, let's basically dissect what we have said in previous videos about this asset and essentially where this thing could be going now. Now, before we do that, guys, I do want to talk to you about the next big project that I think has got $1 billion market cap capabilities. And that project today is Maxi Doge. Now, Maxi Doge is a jacked up steroid-ridden Dogecoin that, in my opinion, has got the memeability of Shiba Inu and could really, really explode here. The effort that has been put into this thing really does top other meme coins out there that have hit $1 billion. For example, like WIF, for example, that was at $4.6 billion. It was literally just a dog wearing a hat. Maxi Doge is a jacked up degen steroid-driven degenerate Red Bull drinking 1000x leverage junkie that is very, very memeable. Not to mention how much they've raised in their pre-sale so far. They've raised $3.6 million, nearly $3.7 million in this pre-sale, guys. So it's very, very, very interesting to see how this is going to be playing out in the future. Also some brand affiliations there as well, which could mean some very, very big gains. And also they have been trusted and endorsed by some very, very big brands in the space already. Now, I'll leave it up to you. I'll put the link in the description. Full disclosure, guys, I've bought into this pre-sale here. I'm very, very excited about this thing. I think it's going to absolutely explode at launch, and we are looking for that 10 to 100x. Now, you guys make up your own mind. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to go check it out yourself. And just quickly, while we are on the topic of other projects, go check out Best Wallet, guys. They are basically the safest way to basically store your crypto right now, because if your crypto is actually on a centralized exchange and it's not in a non-custodial wallet that's decentralized, then it's called centralized for a reason, a centralized exchange like Binance or Coinbase, then it's not your crypto. You don't actually own that legally. If one of those exchanges were to have a problem, they can actually take your money and you would be screwed. Okay, so if you are holding crypto, you want to be holding in a non-custodial wallet called Best Wallet. I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. It's always good to have as well, just to transfer money in and out. But yeah, let's look at the WIF chart, because this is essentially what we predicted last time. Okay, last time we spoke about this, guys, we have this lovely, lovely parallel channel at the top of this uptrend here. And I said, look, we're either going to break to the upside or we're going to break to the downside here. What do you know? We had a really, really nice, clean, very aggressive break to the downside here after breaking this area. Lovely retest, retesting all major trend lines as well, and then absolutely colossal dumpage to the downside. Okay. Now you're probably thinking, like, where's this thing going to go now? Who knows right now? It's absolutely crashed. It broke insane lows. You can see this this crazy, crazy liquidation point here, which is just unbelievable. And it was, I think, the biggest liquidation event in crypto history. But what does it mean for the asset now? Okay, it means that it could do with a bit of recovery here. Okay, that would be the ideal situation. Just in general, we do potentially have like falling wedges and chart patterns like that really starting to form, and we know basically what that means. It means basically they can break to the upside here, but not until they've got over all major moving averages here as well. So these are the points that we're really looking out for there for WIF. But just in general, DCAing at this area is very, very smart here. Remember guys, WIF was really highly priced before, up nearly at $5 there. Now it's at literally like 55 cents. Okay, so it's a massively underpriced asset. That's why I've done this video today, to show you guys how underpriced this thing is. And remember, this thing was challenging Pepe at one point, guys, at the top. Okay, and Pepe's obviously still in the $1 billion of market cap, so WIF can get back there too. Okay, if it's at a $500 million market cap in this market, that's a pretty good sign. Okay, it's a very good sign. It will definitely get back up there. Okay, that is gonna be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you think of WIF in the comment section. Go check out Maxi, Doge, and also Best Wallet links in the description for you guys to go check out and do your own research. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.